Why scientists say you could live to 120. What if I told you the first human who will live to 120 years old is already alive today? Sounds impossible, right? But leading scientists in aging and genetics believe that extending human lifespan far beyond what we consider normal is not only possible, it's happening faster than you think. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know the exact breakthroughs that could push your life expectancy to 120, and the surprising everyday habits that might help you get there. For thousands of years, humans rarely lived past 40. Modern medicine, vaccines, and sanitation doubled our life expectancy in just the last century. But here's the shocking part. Our biological machinery, our cells and DNA, were never designed with an expiration date at 80 or 90. Instead, we slowly wear down because of things like cellular damage from free radicals, telomere shortening, the little caps at the ends of your DNA that act like fuses, and chronic inflammation, which accelerates aging. In other words, we don't die of old age. We die from a slow buildup of damage that scientists are finally learning how to control. So what makes a 120 possible? Let's break down the three biggest breakthroughs. Genetic switches for longevity. Researchers at Harvard discovered that certain genes called sirtuins act like a master control panel for aging. By activating them through compounds like resveratrol, found in red wine, or experimental drugs, cells repair themselves faster and stay younger longer, reversing cellular age. In 2020, scientists managed to reverse aging in human cells using a process called epigenetic reprogramming. Think of it like hitting the reset button on your DNA's clock. This isn't science fiction. It's already happening in labs. Regenerative medicine, from stem cells that replace worn-out organs, to lab-grown tissues that could patch a failing heart. Regenerative medicine may soon mean your body never truly runs out of parts. Add these together, and suddenly, 120 years doesn't sound like fantasy. But here's the exciting part. You don't need futuristic drugs to boost your lifespan. Right now, the longest living populations on Earth, like Okinawa in Japan and Sardinia in Italy, share simple daily habits. Plant-heavy diets rich in vegetables, beans, and healthy fats. Regular movement, not gym marathons, just walking, gardening, or cycling daily. Strong social bonds, staying connected, literally lowers stress hormones and extends life. Low stress routines, things like meditation, prayer, or even afternoon naps. These communities already average 90 to 100 years of life, with no advanced medicine. Imagine what happens when we combine their habits with modern science. So, will you live to 120? If you were born in the last 30 years, the odds are higher than ever. The real question isn't, can we push human lifespan to 120? It's whether we'll use science and lifestyle together to get there. Because the fountain of youth might not be a myth. It might just be a lab result away. What do you think? Would you want to live to 120 if it meant staying healthy and active? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more deep dives into the science of the future, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next.